claim your YouTube Shorts Fund bonus, right? I'm going to talk about that in today's video. Before we jump into it, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, so here's the first email you're going to get from YouTube. It's going to say claim a bonus and Shorts Fund and your channel name and the amount. I got 100%, but hey, that's good too. That's better than nothing, right? And then when you click on claim bonus, basically it's going to take you to your channel studio and the dashboard, and you're going to see this right here, important notification. The thing you want to remember is there is a deadline. If I don't claim this bonus by 25th, then it was going to be gone, right? So you have to click on the claim bonus. I'm not going to do it again because I did it, but so step number one is you click on the email, and step number two is you go to your studio dashboard and then you click here. And then what happens is there are two more steps and they're right here. Look at this. Step number one is you do, let me see, what happened? Let me bring it back. Basically, you accept the terms. So it's very, very basic. And number two is you sign up for your AdSense. If you already have the AdSense account, you'll just select that from the dropdown. If you don't have an AdSense account, you can create that in a couple of minutes. But these are the two steps. And after you do this, let me close this. It's basically going to be like this. So I claimed my bonus on, here's the time, the January the 10th, a couple of days ago, and the timestamp, right? So that's it. A couple of steps that you got to take. Click on claim bonus from the email, and then it will kind of walk you through it. And basically, you also get the emails along the way. So here was once I clicked on the claim bonus, it said accept the terms, and then it signed up for the AdSense. Once I did that, it said bonus claim, I'm good to go, right? So this is how you claim your Shorts Fund bonus from YouTube. Go do that right now before it expires. I'll see you in this next video.